Welcome, welcome. I'm so glad you could join me. I'm at Michael's and I was shopping for some flowers for a little palette wood flower box my husband made me, and also a pretty little vintage style vase I found on one of my recent treasure hunts. And I just wanted to share with you all the beautiful flowers they have while I was there. Wasn't that a pretty little pastel wreath? Oh my goodness, I just loved it so much. I'm a crazy person for pastels and pink and white. And y'all, I bought some of those. They were just too pretty not to get. And I just can't wait to do something with them in a little flower box or maybe in a little vase. I love doing arrangements. There's that pretty little wreath. So pretty. And oh yes, I had to show you these beautiful cream and ivory and white roses and flowers. Oh my goodness, I had to give you a close-up view. They were just too pretty not to share with all of you. And I just love all the flowers at Michael's. It was like being in a garden. And I was mainly looking for some white hydrangea and some pink roses to put in the flower box, but I just shared everything with y'all because it was all so beautiful. And I had originally had the audio for this in the store, and I didn't realize that there would be a copyright problem with the store's music, so I just am recording over it and adding in different music. Oh yes, and I love these. They were beautiful pink. I got some of those too. You know I did. I'm crazy about pink, y'all. If you love pink, you will love the stuff I make. And oh yeah, these pretty little pastel rainbow flowers. Those were just really tempting. I almost got some of those. Some pretty blush. Oh yeah, and I like these. I got these too. I love the little lavender touches. So soft and romantic. And what else? Oh yes, some of those. I got those. And I did a floral arrangement with those in that antique style vase that I got on treasure hunt. And we got some deep pinks there. I will do another video on that other arrangement I did. And I like those hydrangeas. Those were pretty too, with the lilac and pink in them. No, I was just going crazy. There were so many beautiful flowers. I must have been in their flower section for half an hour. Do y'all ever do that? Do you just ever get overwhelmed and you can't decide? Do you ever just get stuck on an aisle in a store? I drive my poor husband crazy when I do that. Oh my gosh, y'all. Oh my gosh, but he's so good. He'll just go sit in the car and go on Facebook or something, or YouTube. And these were all the beautiful, bright, happy colors they have. So many flowers, roses and daffodils and sunflowers and just about every flower, you name it, they just about had it. And over here there was some beautiful little light pink rose bouquet. I got some of those too. Just a lovely pale pink. I love that shade. Oh, and then I had to show you this mug. I love mugs filled with flowers. They're so cute. So sweet. And yep, they caught my eye again. Those little pastel rainbow bouquet flowers. Maybe I should have got those, y'all. I don't know. I just really liked them. Oh yeah, those were pretty with the little soft pink berry touches. I like those. Those were nice. Oh, and these, all the little blush pinks. That was pretty too. So soft. I was having so much trouble trying to decide. Look at all these pretty flowers, lavenders and lilacs and pinks. And eucalyptus is nice. It adds some nice dimension, and I love the way real eucalyptus smells. Oh, it smells so pretty. What do you think? Do you guys like eucalyptus too? And over here we had some deep pinks, some more lavenders and purples, just nice rich pinks, and then soft pinks. So pretty. Just had to share it all with y'all. It's so beautiful. It's like being in a garden. And then over here we have the wreaths that they had, and I just wanted to share some of those with you too. They were lovely. So nice to put on your door or just on your wall. I like that one a lot. Nice soft colors. And this one had a little butterfly. Isn't that sweet? Oh, and I love this one at the bottom. It was so nice and full and pretty pastel colors. That was beautiful, and I'm just being silly there. Y'all forgive me. Oh my goodness. And here I found some white hydrangea on sale. It's just what I needed. I was very excited. This is the little palette box that my husband made for me, and I'm just painting it really quick with this white chalk paint from Waverly, and that's that. Really easy. Then that's the applique that we made, and I painted and put on the front of it. And then I'm going to put some styrofoam inside. That's the styrofoam. And then these are the flowers. There's a little white hydrangeas I got from Michael's. And I'm just trimming the ends off. And then those are the pink ranunculus that I got from Michael's too. And I just thought they were so pretty. I just love the varying shades of pink in them, you know. That's nice. And then the little white in between, like for some filler. And yep, I'm sorry it's crooked, y'all. I am new to this filming as I work thing. But I'll get better at it. So this is it all finished. I think it turned out really cute. I added in some little cherry blossoms. I thought they were a perfect little soft touch, you know. I think they just look really good with the gorgeous ranunculus. For the perfect shade of pink. Oh, the applique on the front that we made. And I just think it turned out that shade of pink, and